Do you want to know which tool is better for secure remote access? Today, we are comparing Tailscale and Twingate. Both of these tools help you connect to your network safely, but they have different features and strengths. Tailscale is built on WireGuard technology. It creates a secure mesh network. This means you can connect devices directly to each other without going through a central server. It's easy to set up and works well for small teams or personal use. On the other hand, Twingate focuses on secure access to applications and resources. It uses a zero trust model. This means it checks every user and device before allowing access. Twingate is great for larger organizations that need to manage many users and applications. Now, let's look at the key differences. Tailscale is more about direct device connections, while Twingate is about securing access to specific resources. If you want something simple and quick, Tailscale might be the way to go. If you need a robust solution for a big team, Twingate could be a better fit. When it comes to features, Tailscale offers easy setup and a user-friendly interface. Twingate provides advanced security features and better control over user access. Both tools have their strengths depending on what you need. Pricing can vary, but Tailscale generally offers a free tier for small teams. Twingate usually requires a subscription, especially for larger organizations. In the end, if you're a small team or an individual, Tailscale is a solid choice. If you're part of a bigger organization with complex needs, Twingate is likely the better option. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this.